How do I download and log in? First, log into the App Store and search Trinity Treasure Safe and install the app onto your device. Once installed, open your Trinity Treasure Safe card app and select Allow to turn on your notifications for Trinity Treasure Safe to receive real-time transaction info. Then, select Sign Up. Once you have acknowledged the terms of use, select Agree. Next, register with your number and select Next. Enter the verification code that will be sent to your mobile phone. Set up your login password. Ensure that your password is between 8 to 16 characters in length, with a combination of digits, letters, and symbols. Confirm your login password and select Done. Next, set up your payment PIN to ensure payment security whenever you make a transaction. Select Go Set and enter your payment PIN. Then, select Apply for a virtual account to apply for your Trinity Treasure Safe card. Under Personal Account, select Apply, select Register, and enter your email address. A verification email will be sent to the email address you have entered. Tap on the Verify button to continue with your application process. Once verified, select Apply again, and you will be led to sign up via MyInfo. Choose your personal account and select Apply with MyInfo. Once you have acknowledged the terms and conditions, select Next. Tap on the QR code and log in to your SingPass mobile. Select Yes to confirm your login and select I agree to consent to the details that will be used for the application of your Trinity Treasure Safe card. Then select Submit. To view your submission details, simply key in the payment PIN. Once your submission has been received, you should receive your Trinity Treasure Safe card in 3 minutes. You will receive a notification that your application has been approved. Simply go to Me and select the bell icon in the top right-hand corner. Next, go to Wallet, and you will see the card that you have applied for. Select the card and enter your payment PIN to authenticate. Set your account PIN, and now your card has been successfully activated. Now, to open the safe, place your thumb or finger and circulate over the medallion charm in a clockwise direction as it spins until it stops. End with good wishes and say Ma inside your heart to receive the good luck blessing activation. And now you are ready to use your Trinity Treasure Safe card.